Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to return a parcel to the online shop using the Packeta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the return parcel to online shop button, and if you have a return code, just type that in, and then just click on the confirmation, and then it will show you where you can return it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.